You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American football place kicker player. If you want to learn more names from the NFL, stay tuned. He's with the Buffalo Bills at the moment. Matt Prater is how it is pronounced, so it's not Prater, or the British may say it as Prater, but his name, he's American obviously, originally from born in Ohio. Matt Prater. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.